Hello, welcome to the Auroran Corporate Archives, branch number 227. What's your name? Well, that's a lovely name. Let me input that here as a guest. Okay, please grab a number and I will be right with you. Yes, I know nobody else is here, but taking a number is standard procedure. Also, I really want to finish my email real quick, so yeah, please. It's really important, so if you just take a number, thank you. I promise this will only take a minute. Dear Francesca, I hope this email finds you well. However, I am writing to inform you of a problem in my department. Shipment number. Oh gosh, where did I put that number? Where did I put that? No, not that. No, not that. Ah, okay, here it is. Shipment number EELHG25. Okay. Shipment number EELHG25 has not yet arrived. This shipment was supposed to arrive last week and was marked delivered in the system. However, I never received it. I hope you see this matter as urgently as I do and can get back to me with a solution as soon as possible. Thank you, and regards, Ethereal. Okay, and send. Okay, thank you so much for your patience. This place is a total madhouse right now. Yeah, anyway. It might not seem busy here, in the front office, but I assure you, as far as the corporate archives go, this is about as busy as I have ever seen them. Sorry, what? What? My email? Yeah. It's a shipment. It's something I was supposed to add to our, to the display. We have a display here and this branch about the company founder, in the area of Auroran accomplishments over there. Yeah, I know it's interesting name. It's exactly what it sounds like. It's a corporate museum. Yeah. I don't know why they named it that instead of, just calling it a museum. But I guess whoever was in charge of that project liked alliteration. So we have now the area of Auroran accomplishments. It's a thing. Yeah. Anyway, my shipment, it would have been the crowning jewel in the local AAA, okay? But it's missing. What is it? Nothing. It's nothing too big or grandiose. Just, package of erasers. Hey, don't insult the erasers. I was actually interested in them. Those erasers were used by Mr. Aurora himself when he drew up the plans for the first burning space perforation device. Well, maybe. At least, I'm not sure if he used these erasers specifically, but they definitely came from his office, or at least the building or business park. Either way, they're old erasers, and that makes them at least mildly interesting. Look, history gets a little muddy, especially when it's this old. These erasers are important. Stop smirking. They are important to me. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Can hold that thought. We're not talking about the erasers yet. Okay. Here, give me your number so I can input in the system that you're next in line. Okay. I should have done this already, but I got distracted by somebody disparaging my eraser shipment. Let's see. Ticket number 1673 CAT30. Okay. Anyway. One moment. Hello, Auroran Corporate Archive branch number 227. This is Ethereal. How can I help you? No, sir. I do not have the financial records for 5 years before and 5 years after the gate collapsed to the disaster. No, sir, do not raise your voice at me. This is the Historical Archives Department. For any direct financial queries, you need to call the Accounting Department. Yes, that is correct. You called the Historical Archives. We don't carry any sensitive information like financial records, past projections, future projections, nothing. If you want Poisson's data, you go to the finance people. Go to the accounting department. Now, is there anything I can help you with today regarding corporate archives? Maybe you want to put on a display at your next... No? Oh. Yeah, yes, I understand. Well, in that case, have a stellar day. They hung up on me. Okay. This is going to be one of those days, isn't it? Yeah, it's corny, but my manager makes me say that to any callers. Probably because most of our callers are like, the high-up corporate penny pinchers who enjoy hearing people suck up to them. You want to hear it? Seriously? I just said it's corny, and I don't care. I didn't get to say it before, okay? I didn't. You're not going to stop staring at me until I say it, will you? Fine, okay. Have it your way. So I'm going to look you directly in the eyes and say, have a stellar day. Biatch. Sorry, I'm so sorry. I've always wanted to say that to a caller. You're not a bitch, by the way. Sorry. That was surprisingly... Okay, that was kind of fun and refreshing. And anyway, I'm not that upset I didn't get to say my little slogan, okay? It's annoying when people hang up to you, hang up in the middle of a sentence, okay? Like, it's so impolite. They called the wrong department. They could at least let me say my little spiel before hanging up on me. Also, like, the nerve, right, to yell at me when they called the wrong department. Like, where the hell do they get off? Shouldn't I be the one who gets angry? They call me and act like whatever they do is so important that making one mistake and calling the wrong person is going to ruin their day. I swear, working in the archives is going to kill me. No, like, seriously, this job is more difficult mentally, not physically. This job is more difficult mentally than, like, the exploratory fighter pilots. Like, this is crazy shit, okay? Like, God. Okay. I'm sorry to make you wait, but can you hold on for one more minute before I help you? What? Yes, I know I took your number, but I swear this is the last thing I will do before helping you with your important query. Thank you so much for your patience. Okay. Are you just gonna be standing there? Okay, yes, that makes sense. Yes, yeah, you can stand there, and I can help you as soon as I'm done. Okay, thank you. Okay. To whoever made the microwave mess. Oh yeah, so select all that. Capitalize it, bold, and underline. Oh, that looks good. That's nice. The microwave is a shared kitchen appliance. Okay, capitalize, Oh, and make shared red. Now I mean business. Oh, there we go. That's nice. By not cleaning it up, you are telling... Okay. By not cleaning it up, you are basically telling whoever follows that their time is less valuable, as they will have to scrub out your disgusting microwave splatter. Sincerely disappointed. Oh, right, a subject line. Messy microwave morals. Punchy and alliterative. Well done, me. Okay, anyway. Send to all people in office. Send to CC all. And send. Sorry, you were trying to say something, and so I was just trying to hurry up and finish. What were you saying? I was trying to, just bask in the eternal bliss of that petty email I just sent. What do you mean I sent? Yeah, I realize now that you say it out loud, I realized that I just emailed an anonymous note from my work account. Well, that shit's gonna be awkward later. Can you please not tease me about that right now? This is a little fresh and painful. So, yeah, if we can just move on, that'd be nice. The microwave's a mess. My erasers are missing. It's just everything's going wrong today. Who lets their food explode in a microwave and not fix it? I don't get it. I just don't get it. And they say that the smell of my popcorn is more offensive than whatever was in the microwave. I just don't understand. Well, who knows? Maybe helping you with your pertinent and important problem will help me feel better. So what can I help you with today? I'm sorry. Can you? Yeah. So you're looking for information on people with animal ears and tails. You don't mean people. You don't mean like normal humans that just Nope. Okay. Anyway. Okay, I get it. You mean real ears and tails. Gotcha. Well, that's oddly specific. Look, I thought you were here to look for some files about past company performance, and then I would just be turning you away. Well, you're actually in the right department. If a correct department exists for what you're talking about with fantasy stuff. Anyway, I will note you're the only person in the past week. Oh, God, that's depressing. Anyway, you're the only person in the past week to be in the correct department. Yeah, I know. I have a sad job. Most of my time is spent dusting off displays in the area of accomplishments. Anyway, what can I do for you? Let's see. Okay. How about I go to Corporate Archives Directory and search bar and type in guy with tail and ears, since that's what you described. Oh my God. That is some provocative art. Okay, I'm gonna save that for future research. Okay, sorry, what? What am I researching? Well, I just need to know how to avoid that happening. Definitely, yep. Anyway, that didn't work out exactly as intended. So let's try something perhaps a little different. Advanced search engines. options, location. Okay. Earth Proxima. Okay. Topic, fuzzy animal people. Sure, why not? Author. Okay, we'll leave that one blank. You don't know. Date. I'll leave that one blank as well, since I assume you don't know what you're looking for. 1860s. Okay, oddly specific, but sure, why not? 1860. Can't guarantee you're gonna find anything that old in these corporate archives, but the company did exist that far, so maybe we'll find something. This is gonna be probably the most oddly specific search I've ever done. That's weird. No. I mean, the files you're asking for do exist. I would have thought it was normal for them not to exist. The requested files, however, are restricted. Can I ask why you're looking for this? Like, is this some kind of weird stuff? Like, is this like a kink or something? I mean, I don't blame you if you did. Okay, I'm just curious what's going on. Hey, calm down. I'm just asking questions, trying to understand. You met one? Oh, you met a what? Like a person with like, huh? He has cat ears and a tail. And he cooks and fixes things. All right, fair enough. You know, that's your job. Fair enough, I guess. I didn't recognize your uniform at first, but that is your job to go out and find things. It's, you know, the gate collapse. Yeah. You know, most people come here or send an email. They're looking for financial records, but sorry. I'm gonna ignore that, let it go to voicemail. As I was saying, most people come here looking for financial records, you know, to put in their reports. But this is the historical archives. You know, some genius assigned to us the internal name of archives department in the directory, so everybody assumes we handle all the archives, but we don't. We just handle historical events, those sorts of things. You know, our illustrious company, praise the board and all that. But anyway, yeah. I'm just bored out of my mind down here. And then, you know, you, charting fighter pilot, you know, you come in here hot as hell, sorry. You come in here wanting some restricted, sealed historical documents. I don't even ever get to give out historical documents to anybody. Fuck yeah, I'm interested. Look, give me like a day or two and I'll send the files to you. Yeah, when you have a chance to read through them all, let me know what you find. If you find something interesting, I'd love to know where this all goes. Because I'll just be here talking about erasers, which I still care about, thank you very much, even if you don't. Okay, yeah, you have a lovely day, and I'll send that to you. Where can I send that? Okay, let me, run charting ship impetus. All right, thank you. I will send that right over to you as soon as I can. Thanks. Have a lovely day.